Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to undo an Elementor WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, access Elementor in your WordPress. Once inside, when you're adjusting your website's design, whether resizing a widget, changing an image, or tweaking text, you might make a change that doesn't look the way you expected. Luckily, Elementor makes it easy to instantly undo your last action. Using the undo function is incredibly simple. If you're working on a Windows computer, just press Ctrl+Z. This immediately reverts your most recent change, just like in other editing software. If you're on a Mac, you can do the exact same thing by pressing Command+Z, which works seamlessly and provides the same result. This shortcut works for both big edits and small adjustments, helping streamline your workflow and saving valuable time. With this feature, Elementor allows you to explore new ideas without hesitation. And that's it. So that is how you can undo an Elementor WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.